Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, we will be learning how to install an operating system, specifically either Windows 10 or 11. We start by searching up Windows 11 ISO file. Then we press the first link, which is the official Microsoft website. Then we scroll down and we find the ISO file download option. We select the settings. It's checking our device and stuff. Now we choose the language. I'm going to go with English International. And now we download the thing. And as you can see, it's downloading. And don't worry, it's not going to take so long. It's just shows so long on mine because my internet sucks. Now we will be downloading Rufus. It is a tool that we're going to need to install the operating system. That's the latest version. I recommend you choose the latest one. But if you want to, you can use the older versions. Now we download it. Now we go to File Explorer and we open the Rufus file. We press yes. And now we choose the USB device and the ISO file. We press start. And we turn these options on because it will make the installation way easier. And now we wait. It is now done. Now we close the Rufus application. Now we shut down our PC and we install the OS. Now we plug in the USB. We press the power on button and we keep spamming the F9 button for any HP laptops. And the button we have to spam varies from brand to brand, but for HP it's usually F9. And in general it's escape, F9, delete, and stuff like that. Now we're going to choose USB hard drive. Which is going to load the Windows 11 ISO. Now we have to select language and time options and stuff. I recommend in the time and currency format you choose English World because it is the least bloated version, which will make it run faster and generally give you a better experience. Now we install Windows. Check the little box in the corner and then press next. Now we select custom install, it's the second option. And now we choose our main partition on which we're going to install the operating system. Now it's going to prompt you to connect with the internet. You can if you want to, but I recommend to skip this part, like to press I don't have internet, because it's going to make the installation way easier. The installation is now complete. Subscribe for the next episode where we're going to debloat it and set it up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Have a good day.